huge welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. Hope you guys are doing great. In this video, we are exploring a new Solana meme coin, and it's Andrew Tate themed. And this one's got a powerful story behind it. I was literally just doom scrolling on my Instagram not too long ago, and I came across someone with the same name as me. However, he is on a special quest where he's walking 1,500 miles to meet the Tate brothers. So this is really cool. Just a very normal guy from England, with normal sort of hobbies, normal dude, and literally I spoke to him, had a call with him. Seems like a seriously cool guy, and he said he's got nothing to lose and he's just on this awesome quest to go out there, meet Andrew Tate, and on the side whilst doing this he's launched his own Solana based meme coin. So he is doxed, he is KYC'd, and I think that's also a really precious element of this particular token. So I want to talk about it. It's called TOPG1500 official. You can see they've only got 147 followers, very fresh over here. You can see so it says walking from the UK to Romania to meet the top G over here, Andrew Tate. And imagine the chances of this happening if he really does get to meet Andrew Tate and Tristan after this huge quest that they're doing, this massive journey over here, what Jake Guerrilla is doing. I think that's how you pronounce it. Sorry if I slated your name. Basically, yeah, you know, Andrew Tate could then promote the coin, push the coin, and there is also a donation wallet for Andrew Tate as well in case he does get invited and pick up on it. So he's not just going to walk to Andrew Tate's house, because that doesn't usually end well. But overall, you can see right now the coin's looking good. So I want to show you the price action. It's been trading for about 30 days. There have been two cases where we've seen 30 plus corrections, 40% corrections, and then nice recoveries actually following. So yeah, price action's definitely looking bullish. It's up about 13x from its floor price over here, or about 18x from the absolute bottom, but the market cap is low. It's 867,000. The liquidity is still low, $108,000, not locked in. Do remember, guys, these meme coins are of course risky, and it's not financial advice, but it's something I do want to talk about because it could keep on growing as his Instagram grows, as his journey continues. You can see this is what he's doing.
Had zero money to market his journey, and he's got no influence either. You'd call him fucking crazy, wouldn't you? Guess what? Them times when you're getting called crazy are probably the times you've actually got to jump. And guess what? I jumped. I got 11,000 followers in 30 days. I managed to run up a cryptocurrency coin to 500k market cap.
So yeah, this guy's cool. He's just cool. He speaks exactly what his mind feels.
Sat down for like half hour.
Day 37, walking from England to Romania. So he's kind of hopping on this sort of big trend right now where people are walking from country to country or cycling from country to country, and I think this is cool. You know, we're not seeing many meme coins that are fully transparent and docs like this in that sense. What I will always be very precarious about, however, is that supply of a coin that is launched by maybe a small group of people, whether it could be a developer with a few friends or a few people that like kind of angel invest or supply some sort of capital on the side. So we can see 648 holders, maybe 50 or 100 of these wallets are sort of internally connected wallets. Maybe 20-30% of the overall supply is held by a very small circle of people. So that's something you've also got to consider. You can see one wallet over here has got 10% of the supply, another's got 6%, another's got 4%. And then you've got a few with just like the 1% mark, and then I guess it scales down and lower as well. So that's something you've got to be very sort of diligent about. You can see this liquidity is not locked in, but the liquidity is going up quite nicely. However, nothing stops it, of course, from just being completely rugged, completely pulled in that sense as well. So I'm also considering that there is risk that you could see an 80 to 90% complete rug pull. Now, hopefully it doesn't happen. Hopefully the developers have a brain and they're not that silly to do such a sort of malicious thing. But, you know, everyone makes some sort of profits. People don't just launch coins for nothing. Usually they do want to help the community, and these genuine tokens do want to see people thrive from their projects. But developers are also naturally inclined to make some sort of capitalization on this. They've put a lot of time and effort into it. You know, a dude is not just going to walk to Romania to make no money at all. But I still think this is a strong narrative, a very strong and early time to be looking at a coin like this. You can just imagine if this thing keeps on flying, if it goes up to 250k liquidity, you're up again. We're on the verge of removing a zero soon. What I think this coin would benefit from doing is every time it gets to say 1 million market cap, 2 million, 3 million market cap, 4 million market cap, I think the benefit from actually having a sort of token burning sort of thing go on. So if it hits $1 million market cap, they burn 0.1% of the supply or something like that. And maybe even just integrate a staking pool where maybe people can just lock in some liquidity to help with the volatility and create some staking rewards on the side. So maybe allocate 10% of the supply for staking rewards as well. But overall, it's a very fresh project. Like I say, pretty cool to see this, and it's flying. It's absolutely flying. So if you want to see this coin, the link is down below. I think it could be a possibility to see a little correction soon, maybe a little bit lower, maybe a 30% correction back down to like 0.00062 region. We could see some movement to the downside as well. What else do I want to show you? So yeah, I was doing a bit of analysis on this wallet here, the third wallet by holdings supply. You can see he was actually buying a few over here. So he bought in quite late. He even sold at like a random time over here and then bought in again at an even higher price. So maybe it's good to see actually that this wallet here is not bought all the way down here, and obviously is way up over 10x on his sort of holdings and things, but the liquidity is moving pretty nice. Fingers crossed we can see some more continuation for this coin. Also, if you want to grab some of this, like I said, I've already got quite a few tokens anyway. The link is down below for you guys to check out the Radium Dex. And this is the dude here. If you want to follow his Instagram journey, his story, the link is down below. Are we looking at a new Solana 10 to 100x potential? It could be a possibility. Here again is the overall tokens that people are holding. And I want to see this coin get identified by Andrew Tate. I want to see this be a trending Solana ecosystem token. I want to see this on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Bird Eye, Dex Tools. I want to see it go everywhere, but it's going to take a lot of community. It's going to take a lot of time, organic growth, and a lot of patience from the developers. We don't want to see any large positions sold off or any large quantities of liquidity removed here from this, because it, if you look at some of these wallets, just look at the first 5 wallets. If they all sold, it will send the price to absolute zero, because there just is not enough liquidity to actually, to accommodate that level of selling pressure. But overall looks really cool. When they get a website, I think things will be even better as well. But a website is certainly something that they would benefit from. So let me know what you think about this coin. This guy, Jake here, on his quest to meet the Tate brothers, the top G himself. I would be so inclined to see that happen, and if it happens, which is a very good chance of happening, Andrew Tate could send this to the absolute moon, like really push it into the millions of market capital. Never know what could happen. They could have an interview, they could do some cool posts, and Andrew Tate could also spread the word about the token too. So to me, that's interesting. Not many coins have a story behind them right now. Many people are just launching coins of no real sort of utility or story behind them, let alone being fully doxed and KYC'd. You got his face on screen, you got his voice on screen. He can't hide, he can't run away. People know who he is now. So let's see how much this really gives back to the community. Links down below, guys. Stay crypto safe, and remember, this is not financial advice.